Okay, how to replace the driver's side headlight on a Subaru Impresa. So in my other video I show you how to replace the right side. So in this one I'm gonna show you how to replace the left side. As you can see, the low beam is the one outside, the one that got the big lamp. So that's high beam, and that's the little one. So we want to replace this one. Okay, so I want to shut it off, and what we're gonna do, we're gonna remove the windshield washer reservoir. So I'm gonna use my screwdriver to remove this clip. Okay, well, it comes easy. That don't happen much, but okay. So you just turn it and pull it, put this thing away so you can reuse it. Now you're gonna move the rest, how you call this thing, windshield washer reservoir gooseneck, I guess. All right, so what you're gonna do, you're just gonna twist it a little bit. That's it. And now you got plenty of room right here to go to the bulb. You can see the bulb from up here. See where I am? Right here. Okay, so just like the other side, this thing is facing towards the fender. Okay, so now you're gonna turn it down towards the floor. Now you're gonna pull it. All right, okay, now it's out. Okay, now you see my big finger, my thumb. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna press the clip right here, and with my other finger I'm gonna pull the bulb. All right, so right there, push this and pull the bulb at the same time. Okay, that's it. So by grabbing the bulb like this, you'll be able to press and pull away the bulb. Okay, so we're gonna check this bulb and see if it's good or bad. We're gonna check it on the light, and surprisingly this thing is no good. So for some crazy reason that it does happen, both headlight bulbs, they went out at the same time. I don't know why. Maybe it got cheap bulbs, or I don't know, the alternator maybe is overcharging or something's going on. But if this happen again, we're gonna have to go and look a little bit deeper. Today we're just gonna do the bulbs. I go get another one, I'll be right back. Okay, we got the new bulb, so we're gonna put it in. Same idea. You're gonna go down and you're gonna put it in the hole first. Don't touch the glass. You're gonna go, remember this, now it's gonna be facing down, and you're gonna twist it towards the fender. And see, put it in, and now twist it towards the fender like that, and now you're gonna plug it in. Okay, this is not a new bulb. I found this bulb in my drawer. I want to try it out to see if it's good or bad, because the stores, they're not open yet, it's too early. But if this works, that's gonna stay. Oops. Okay, I'm gonna put the plug back in. Remember, you put the light first and then you plug it. That's it. So the way in. Alright, now we're gonna test it. Turn the light on. Yes, that's junk. Okay, anyway, that's how you do it. I'm gonna order a new one. I'm gonna have to take it back out again because it didn't work. So how to pull it out? Remember, you twist it, and this is the driver's side. Twist it down, pull it out, grab the bulb like this, and you push, and when you pull with your fingers, okay? Come on, you. Okay, don't pull the wires, just pull the plug. You see what I'm doing? Like that. Alright, so this is junk. I got a new one. Alright, so that's how you do the bulb on the passenger side. Subaru Impresa. Bye bye.